Hey guys, I'm going to show you another modification you can do to your snowblowers. Now this works perfect for pavement and sidewalks. Where I live, I have 180 feet of cement sidewalks by the road. I also have a large driveway. About 12 to 15 cars can park in my driveway, so I have a lot of area to clear every snowstorm. Now with the skids or the shoes off the snowblowers, they tend to wear out every season. They wear right through. Okay. Now this is the original set off my Aaron snowblower, which is brand new. I already wore one set right off. One side is already worn right through. I took my Makita hand grinder and I cut this bad piece off right here, just for cosmetics. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to fit a bearing in the center over here. I got these seal bearings from Amazon. These bearings here are 1 3/4 in diameter with a 1/2 inch hole in the center. Now these bearings have a boss on each side, meaning a high spot in the center. They're both the same way. I don't know if you can see that. But they're both high on each side over here. Okay? So what I did, I took my hand grinder and I drilled a 1/2 inch hole right here. That matches up the hole in the bearing, in the center of the hole, center of the bearing. I notch out the center here so the bearing will fit in the middle. And then I like the protection here in case I jump on a sidewalk or whatever. I have a little bit of protection to protect the bearing. Okay, so this is how I put it together. I take this 1/2 inch bolt, I drop it through the center. Okay, put a washer, put the bearing, put a lock washer, and I'll put a nut. I'll tighten this thing all down right here. So then you have, here's the bearing right here. Now as you tighten up the center of the bearing, the outside is going to roll. All that wearing out that I've been experiencing will stop. The back side of the plate here, you need to add either washers, or I found more material under my bench. I just notched it out too with the grinder. And I'll put it like this. So then when it's all bolted up, it'll be like original, nice and flat. The bolt won't be sticking up too high. And it'll be riding down the driveway like this. The absolute worst case scenario, if it doesn't work, there's no modifications to the machine. And you can simply put the original skids back on and you're back in business. But I know this is going to work. Okay, I'm out in the garage now. I just mounted the shoes up, or the skids. You can see the back plate, the little pieces I told you about, and the bearing. And it's all bolted up. It's shimmed nice. And this side is on as well. So you can get an idea how that looks. And if that's something you want to do for your machine, you can do it. And if I take my foot to this thing, no more dragging. This will work fine in the driveway, and hopefully it'll last many, many years. Well, thanks for watching.